3, 2, 1, go.
Hello everyone, welcome to CAT by LPT, a channel dedicated to the preparation of CAT and other management entrance tests. In today's video, we are going to talk about NMAT, Nasi Munji admission test, which is going to get you admission into NMIMS, Mumbai, which is famous and a premier institute for finance program, which is going to be a gateway for your management career. So let's understand what this exam entails, especially the verbal section of this exam. Okay, so let's get started. So this exam has 3 sections, and for each section you will be given differential marking, but the number of question is going to be same for each section. 36 question for quant, logical reasoning and English, but the time allotted for English is only 28 minutes. So 36 questions are to be done in 28 minutes. So you need to manage your time very well here. Now this is a computer adaptive test. I hope you understand what it entails. Computer adaptability means that computer is going to adapt itself as per the answer choices you freeze for a given question. So let's say if you are given a mediocre level question or medium difficulty level question at the beginning, and if you give the right answer to that question, the next question is going to be of higher difficulty level. If you keep on giving the right answer to the subsequent question, then the level of difficulty will keep on rising. The higher the difficulty level, higher will be the marking. That's how the computer adaptability goes. So that means the system is going to reward you for giving the right answer to a question. Right? So if you keep on getting the higher difficulty level question, that means you are doing very well in the test. Alright, so that is what is computer adaptability. That also means that 2 students taking exam at the same time, at the same center, will not have same paper, because their paper is going to be designed by the computer as per their capability, as per their level of answering. Okay, so this is what computer adaptability is. Now there are some limitations with this computer adaptability structure. You cannot skip your answer. Unless you mark your answer for a given question, computer is not going to assess your capability and cannot give you the next answer or next question. So that means you need to freeze your answer, move on to the next question, then only computer is going to give you the next question. So you need to mark your answer. You cannot keep a question for reviewing later. So that's one limitation with it. And you can also choose the order as per your capabilities, as per your preferences, as per your suitability. You can start either with logical reasoning if you see that is your asset, if that's your forte, you can start with logical reasoning, or you can also start with verbal or quant, whatever suits your board. Okay, so that's also a freedom that this exam gives you. You need to start with the area that you are good at, so that there is a feel good factor for you to take the subsequent section of the test. There is no negative marking, so that's something which actually make all the participants, all the candidates happy. There is no negative marking. There are going to be 5 options. Okay, so confusion thoda sa zyada hai, but there is no negative marking. And 3 attempts, you can take this exam as many as 3 times, and your best score is going to be considered. Okay, so this is all about the test and the computer adaptability. Now let's discuss the verbal ability sections. As I said, 36 questions are there. Now these 36 questions are divided into these 3-4 sections, or 3-4 subsections. Let's see. So the first is reading comprehension, because the highest number of questions come from that particular part, so I am going to talk about that. So there are going to be 12 questions based on reading comprehension. There are going to be 3 passages, and every passage is going to be followed by 4 questions. Okay? So in total you are going to get 12 questions. Passages are around 250, 300, 350 words. They may go up to 400 words as well. थोड़े से lengthy होते हैं passages, but passages are readable, they are easy, and usually based on those subjects that you are familiar with, or that you know, in a way study during the preparation of CAT or these exams. Okay? So you will not find very abstruse, recondite subjects in your passages as you possibly do in XAT or CAT, but these subjects are going to be quite doable. Questions are also pretty much easy, some implied, some direct questions, and some questions will also be based on vocabulary. ठीक है. So sometime a bold-faced word is bold-faced or a phrase is bold-faced, and you will be asked which word or which phrase can be replaced with one of these options, right? So it not only checks your comprehension, but it also checks your understanding of vocabulary sometime, usually contextual vocabulary. ठीक है. So this is how the passages go, and the preparation that you do for CAT reading comprehension suffices for the preparation of NMAT reading comprehension. You don't have to do anything extra. A little fictional passage की practice will possibly give you a competitive edge, because ये देखा गया है 2-3 सालों में कि NMAT ने fictional passages को बहुत ज़्यादा importance दिया है. ठीक है. So a little practice of fictional passage which will possibly pave the way for doing well in this section. ठीक है. So that's something that you can add extra. पैराजिम्बल 5 सेंटेंसेस वाले पैराजिम्बल है, और लगातार ऑलमोस्ट हर साल 4 क्वेश्चंस पैराजिम्बल के आए हैं. ठीक है. दे आर अगेन बेस्ड ऑन सिंपल लॉजिक दैट वी हैव बीन डूइंग फॉर सॉल्विंग पैराजिम्बल क्वेश्चंस कि मैंडेटरी पेयर ढूंढिए, लिंक ढूंढिए, कनेक्टर्स ढूंढिए, या फिर नाउन प्रोनाउन का लॉजिक ढूंढिए. विद दोज लॉजिक, इफ यू आर प्रो इन दोज लॉजिक, इफ यू हैव बीन प्रैक्टिसिंग इनफ, यू विल बी एबल टू सेल थ्रू दिस सेक्शन. दिस सेक्शन इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी posing any challenge to you if you are done with all the parajimbal questions of previous year CAT and other management entrance tests. Okay, just a little logic that needs a little refinement that will definitely help you in parajimbal questions of NMAT. Nothing extra. Now this is something which possibly need a little more practice, little more hand holding, and little more effort, because grammar is something which is not tested by CAT. ठीक है. And grammar is also not something which is heavily tested by other management exam, but here जैसे स्नैप में एंड मैट में, इन दोनों एग्जाम में आप देखेंगे ग्रामर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है. तो ग्रामर बेसिकली 2 तरीके से टेस्ट होगी. एरर स्पॉटिंग, सो there could be one sentence which is segregated into 4 parts or 5 parts. You will have to identify which part contains the mistake, and that part will be your answer. ठीक है. So as you have been encountering in your mocks में भी ऐसे questions आपने कई बार देखे होंगे जिसमें आपको error identify करना पड़ता है. Next is FIB. Now a sentence will be given, possibly preposition will be missing, article will be missing, right, helping verb, main verb will be missing. You will have to identify how that sentence can be completed by choosing the right word, right phrase, or right grammatical construction from the option in that construction. ठीक है. So that's how grammar will be tested. Usually ये दोनों ही तरीके से grammar test हो रहा है. So there is a very standard prototype that NMAT has been following ever since it's changed its structure in 2020. ठीक है. And they have stuck to this structure all these years, and very likely this year as well they are going to stick to it. Vocabulary, very important part for NMAT, right? You will find as many as 6 to 7 questions based on vocabulary only. ठीक है. So FIB, that is filling the blank. It could be for 2 blank, it could also be for 3 blanks. ठीक है. So एक छोटा सा पैरा भी कई बार दिया होता है जिसमें आपको कई बार 2 blanks और 3 blanks होते हैं. You have to find the right fitting, contextually fitting word which completes the meaning, which fulfills the requirement of the sentence. ठीक है. So वो FIB है which not only tests the understanding of words but also your understanding of the paragraph. किस context का है, किस सब्जेक्ट पे लिखा हुआ है, क्या टोनल क्वालिटी है ऑथर की, उसके अनुसार कौन सा वर्ड यहाँ पे फिट होगा, कौन सा वर्ड यहाँ पे फिट नहीं होगा. तो just remembering the synonym or antonym will not suffice here. Possibly you will have to understand their shades of difference, their connotation, their collocation, and eventually you also have to understand what the passage means, what the paragraph means, in order to ascertain which word is going to give meaning to the paragraph. ठीक है. So this calls for greater understanding of vocabulary and greater sense of understanding of the passage. So FIB, integral part of it. Analogy, आपने कई बार देखा होगा, questions देते हैं, 2 वर्ड्स दे दिए, जैसे लेट्स से यू नो गिव अप एंड अबैंडन. ठीक है. सो हाउ आर दे रिलेटेड? और फ्रूगल एंड माइजर, हाउ आर दे रिलेटेड? और लेट्स से स्माइल एंड लाफ्टर, हाउ आर दीज 2 words related? So whatever relationship you find out in these words, you will have to find out the same relationship in the answer pair as well. ठीक है. So in the answer pair, the same relationship has to be identified so that your answer pair can be करेक्ट. ठीक है. आपको रिफ्लेक्ट करना होता है जो आंसर होता है वही रिलेशनशिप. सो अगेन इट कॉल्स फॉर वोकैबुलरी, for sure. It also calls for some kind of reasoning कि क्या reasoning लग रही है, जैसे smile and laughter है, क्या reasoning है, क्या exactly same है, क्या degree का फ़र्क है, तो थोड़ी सी reasoning भी आपको यहाँ पे apply करनी पड़ेगी. Third is cloze test. Now this is an extension of FIB only. ठीक है, so cloze test is basically a long paragraph where 3-4 blanks will be given. ठीक है, so वो grammar भी test करेंगे, वो vocab भी test करेंगे. ठीक है, सो क्लोज टेस्ट आपने देखा होगा जिसमें एक ही ब्लैंक के लिए, मतलब पैराग्राफ में उन्होंने 3 या 4 आपको ब्लैंक दे दिए और वहाँ पे आपको चूज़ करना होगा कि कौन सा वर्ड फिटिंग है. तो दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ क्लोज टेस्ट. ठीक है, सो आपने देखा कि दिस इज़ द वेराइटी ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट यू विल बी इनकाउंटरिंग इन वर्बल एबिलिटी क्वेश्चन. सो दे मेक टोटल 36 क्वेश्चन विच आर टू बी डन इन 28 मिनट्स. ठीक है, I hope you have no question regarding this. So, okay, we talked about this. Let's now quickly focus on reading comprehension. So, the questions are going to be a mix of both direct and indirect questions. So, the questions are going to be a mix of direct and implied idea. That means the inferential reasoning and direct reasoning, like understanding the author's perspective, what he agrees, what he disagrees, what he exactly says, what he exactly means, everything comes into direct. क्या उसने बोला है, क्या नहीं बोला, which of these is true as per the passage, which of these is untrue as per the passage, all come into direct questions. Whereas implied idea is something that, you know, author, you have to derive it with inference, understanding the inference, reading between the line. So there is a mix of these questions. There is a mix of implied idea and direct questions. So यहाँ पे inference और implied idea में आपको definitely थोड़ा सा समझना पड़ेगा what author means. And strengthen के questions भी आते हैं और weaken के questions भी आते हैं. Implied idea, which option would strengthen or which option would weaken the author's opinion. And passages are not difficult to read. मॉडरेट लेवल डिफ़िकल्टी, बहुत ज़्यादा टफ पैसेजेस नहीं होते हैं. ठीक है, ऑलराइट. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड वोकैबुलरी. नाउ एज आई सेड, वोकैबुलरी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट प्ले करती है. एनालॉजीज, क्लोज टेस्ट, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक एंड सिनोनिम एंड एंटोनिम क्वेश्चंस आल्सो कम. ठीक है, तो सिनोनिम एंटोनिम क्वेश्चंस में आपको 5 ऑप्शंस होते हैं एंड समटाइम इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू you know ascertain which word is exactly the synonym with the given word. So you need good command over vocabulary, needless to say that. And आपको पता होगा this exam is conducted by GMAT because GMAT is the same agency which conducts GMAT. ठीक है, so GMAT का एक official guide है INMAT का, अगर आप उसको ले लेते हैं तो उसमें एक high frequency word list दी हुई है. हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी वर्ड लिस्ट को अगर आप कर लेते हैं अच्छे से, सो यू विल बी इन अ सेफर जोन because most of the time examiners pick up those words and they make synonym, antonym or filling the blank questions from that list only. ठीक है, it would be a good investment to buy this guide because that will kind of give you the rigor of INMAT and that will also give you some free mock tests for INMAT and actually by the very agency which sets the test, which conducts the test. So authentic, you get entire content from the horse's mouth, so there is no ambiguity about it. You will also get the detailed explanation of all the answers, so it possibly will be a good investment. A lot of questions for vocabulary based, namely synonym, antonym, analogies and sentence completion as I have given you. ठीक है, so high frequency words, आपके जो मॉड्यूल है, हमने जो आपको मॉड्यूल दिया है उसमें भी जो हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी वर्ड लिस्ट दी हुई है, दैट ऑल्सो गिव्स यू अ कंपाइलेशन ऑफ ऑल द वर्ड्स विच हैव अपीयर्ड इन डिफरेंट मैनेजमेंट एंट्रेंस टेस्ट. ठीक है, सो यही वर्ड्स हैं जो घूम फिर के आपको कहीं ना कहीं एग्जाम्स में दिखते हैं. सो इफ़ यू start revising that list, doing that list, and you attend our vocabulary sessions as well that we keep providing, you will be in a good stead to compete in this exam for vocabulary section. Vocabulary is not something that you can build overnight, right? So you have to have a lot of sleepless night to have an overnight success. So if you want to do that, you will have to do a lot of hard work and you know, effort in order to do vocabulary well. Grammar, now there have been a few topics which have been repeatedly tested in INMAT, right? So let's focus on those because grammar is something which is infinite. If you start going for grammar, possibly there will be a lot that you need to cover. So let's discuss those specific topics which have been recurringly coming in INMAT. ठीक है, subject and verb agreement, very important topic. सबसे important topic, if I have to pick up that subject and verb agreement, that keeps on coming in every exam. So you need to be clear with all the rules, all the scenarios where this topic can trick you. ठीक है, be very clear. Preposition, now preposition के जो questions हैं वो तीन तीन ब्लैंक वाले आते हैं. ठीक है, इफ़ यू सी जो जी मैक का जो पेपर है, जी मैक का जो एडिशन है, ऑफिशियल गाइड है मैट की, उसमें प्रिपोजिशन के ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं जिसमें तीन प्रिपोजिशन फिलिंग द ब्लैंक में होती है, एंड यू नीड टू बी राइट फॉर ऑल दीज थ्री प्रिपोजिशंस. ठीक है, बिकॉज द ऑप्शंस आर वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग. सो प्रिपोजिशन के रूल्स. सेकेंड इज टेंसेज एंड नेक्स्ट इज कंडीशनल्स. ठीक है, सो बेसिक अगर आप सब्जेक्ट वर्ब अग्रीमेंट करते हैं तो आपको प्रोनाउन नाउन के रूल्स पता होने चाहिए, तभी आप सब्जेक्ट को समझ पाएंगे एंड तभी आप सब्जेक्ट वर्ब अग्रीमेंट को डील कर पाएंगे. तो सब्जेक्ट नीडलेस टू से, प्रोनाउन एंड नाउन आपको पता होना चाहिए, एंड देन ऑल द रूल्स ऑफ सब्जेक्ट एंड वर्ब अग्रीमेंट. Preposition, tenses and conditionals. So I wouldn't say that these are the four topics that you should do only, but these are four topics which if you master, you will possibly be able to control this section to a great extent. ठीक है? Focus on conceptual clarity, get your facts correct, get your concepts correct. Try to have as much crystal clarity in these concepts as possible through practice, through videos, through reading standard books of grammar. Do as much as possible on these concepts. ठीक है? And there are websites, there are modules as well that are given to you with admission packet in which ample exercises are given, right? So try to solve as many exercises. If you have any ambiguity, talk to your faculty members, get clarity. And we have also started this series for previous year paper questions or previous year paper question discussion. So start watching that so that you are acquainted with these rules and you also get to see how these rules are applied and what are the exceptions to these rules. ठीक है? So I'm sure you all are watching the live sessions which are given to you on this channel. Start following those channels, following those sessions so that you keep getting benefited out of these content that we are bringing on a regular basis. Practice, practice, practice. That's the key word because grammar आप eventually 2-3 बार rule करेंगे और उसको बार बार practice करेंगे, then it's going to be consolidated in your head. ठीक है? All right. So that's all about verbal section. Let's quickly understand what you need to do in order to do well in the verbal section. Efficient time management, as I said, 36 questions to be done in 28 minutes. So आपके पास time कम है, questions ज़्यादा हैं, and फिर reading comprehension भी है, and every reading comprehension will be followed by 4 questions only. So 3 passage, 4 reading comprehension. So you need to allocate your time judiciously so that you allocate enough time for reading, enough time for solving 4 questions, and then you also have enough time for other questions. So when you keep on practicing on mocks, then only you will be able to tame the time management, right? If you just start believing कि ठीक है mock नहीं दिया लेकिन class में हो जाते हैं मेरे questions और passage मुझसे फटाफट बन जाता है, and on the exam day also it will translate into performance. Don't be in that illusion, right? Try to test your time management skill in the mock test only. Mock test is the only way through which you can test. You decide your sectional order so that you come to this decision beforehand, and on the examination day you are not oscillating whether to start with this or whether to start with other section. Develop the ability to see all questions, right? It would be possibly, as I said, computer adaptability will reward you only when you are going to give the answer to a question. If you skip a question, that's going to be a heavy penalty. So develop the ability. Even the last question, if you are running out of time, 20 minutes are ticking, 36 questions are not done, let's say you are only on 35, 32 and 30th question, just go for random marking for last question, but don't skip a question. And come what may, you are not supposed to skip a question. There is a heavy penalty for that. Develop the ability to see the all questions. Finish. Do practice to identify your weak areas and exercises and drill that helps strengthen those weak areas. So the module that you are given, the exercises, the class sheet, and then the PPTs that we are sharing here on the channel, please start watching them, please start solving them, please start following them so that you get immense benefit out of these sessions. Build the ability to decide this question needs to be guessed or just जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा कि आपको ये मार्क करना ही पड़ेगा, विदाउट मार्किंग यू वोंट बी गिवन द question. So don't waste a lot of time ruminating on the answer of a specific question. If this question needs the answer needs to be guessed, just go with the guessing and move on to the next question. ठीक है? So I hope it's amply clear to you what you need to do for the verbal section: grammar, RC, vocab and parajumble. It actually tests everything, but in a very average manner, not something which is very challenging cognitively, but something which is on an easy plane. With good practice and with time management skills, you can easily sail through this. As I said, if you have been preparing for CAT, this is going to be a breather for you. But nonetheless, you need to be clear, it's a computer adaptive test, so a little dynamics are going to be different because CAT is a computer based test and this is computer adaptive test. So a little fine tuning is needed. Second, as I said, you need to be very cautious about first few questions, because अगर उन questions को आप ध्यान से करते हैं तभी next course of your section will be decided. As जैसे मैंने आपको कहा, higher will be the difficulty level, higher will be the marking. So if you want to ensure higher marking, definitely you need to give immense importance to first few question ताकि next question आपको higher difficulty level के मिले. ठीक है? So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you in understanding what NMAT is and what NMAT verbal ability section is like. I hope it will help you in dealing with these sections and you will come out with flying colors when you take this exam. Thank you so much.